dear audience, now we are going to present you our midterm project, which is named Sign Translator. So our team name is 404 team. Here is our agenda. As you can see, we are going to introduce you our project, explaining you our main motivation. Then we are going to explain you our language bridge, which includes text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and sign detection techniques. After that, we will introduce you our knowledge base, which includes articles and tutorials about our project. And finally, we will tell you about our future plans. Our team tries to eliminate the gap of language processing between disabled people, so the goal of our project is to detect hand gestures and translate this to sign language or to the readable plain text. So the essence is to design a mobile application which will translate the language of signs and gestures of the ordinary people who are unable to understand people who cannot speak, as well as to do this in the reverse direction from the text to small frames so as to be able to show such people their thoughts. So in our project, we used MVVM architecture, which is model view model, because with this architecture, we are able to separate business and UI logic in our projects. And also fragments were used, which are lightweight activities.
While talking about the main features of our application and the general architecture, we have two activities, and the first one is a home activity that consists of the three fragments, as you can see on the screen. And the main feature here is the text-to-speech. The first button with the sound, which means that when the user types the text, it can just speech it using the Android's core speech synthesizer, and just by using the text-to-speech open class.
In order to produce text-to-speech conversion, we firstly input the text and then press the first button.
Hello world.
As you may have listened, the text has been converted.
Next feature is speech-to-text, the same in reverse order, but here we use Google's Open API for speech recognizer. When the users talk, they can convert the speech to the text, so other people can convert the speech to the text and read it by themselves.
And how does the speech-to-text recognition work? Let's press the microphone. And here is the text.
Well, generally moving to the sign detection, we have produced the Java camera activity, special activity for just sign detection. We've applied several OpenCV filters. The first and foremost is the downsampling. We either upscale or downscale our image in order to extract features and to make them even more visible for the computer to extract. The next step is the contour extraction. We use this in order to understand what are the features and what are the general contours of the images appear on the main screen. Well, after extracting features, as you might see, there are multiple objects that can be detected. For this, we apply mask for each and every object we detect. After having the contours extracted with the thin and the thick lines, we can apply our masks and finally detect the objects and the features which are actually letter classes.
And let's get to the sign detector. For this we will press the camera button. And the camera will launch. After this, we can target it at ourselves and try to detect.
So moving forward to the knowledge base.
So if you're passionate about knowledge, we will introduce you two types of bloggers. In our application, there are articles and tutorials. When it comes to articles, we use a read fragment through API service in order to get all information that's available to you read.
And how do articles work? Let's proceed to them. We can see the list of articles, which is renewable, and we see that the sign language article is available here.
Regarding tutorials, we use it recycle view to split all information. Videos that could be watched through our application and functionality deep link that give ability to watch directly in YouTube application.
We proceed to the Tutorials tab, and here we can see the list of the tutorials. After proceeding to which, we get to the YouTube app.
For future plans, we included increased the accuracy and automatic detection and supporting multi-language.
By doing this, we hope that we can eliminate the gap between the disabled people and other humans, so they can communicate together without any problems in future, and we hope that our program will be really helpful for other people in the world.
This is why the application we designed is called the Language Bridge and the Sign Translator, since it enables the double full duplex communication. So thank you for your attention, and bye. Here are the references, following which you can get familiar with the project. Thank you for your attention.